Do you have any food allergies?
Okay, again?
Do you have any food allergies? Any? Three of you, right?
No food allergy. We are in the chocolate factory in Skellig. Look how they are doing the packing. This is the name of their chocolates. They have also... Yeah. Lolo, taste the chocolates.
No.
These are their products. What do you think? It's masarap?
The orange one is nice.
This is the orange.
Okay.
This is our truffle. Truffle has a softer core inside compared to the chocolate bars on the shell edge. Please.
These are all in there.
Over here on the counter. The single chocolate truffle comes in a box like this.
Oh.
This is the one.
I think the orange one was the nicest. With the dark chocolate here now.
Remember the taste,
This is
Lolo.
dark chocolate vanilla ganache.
Sarap, no?
This is the dark chocolate clusters with orange and almond.
Milk chocolate ruffles. Oh, you have.
How many is there? 7. Perfect. And then you got any allergies?
This is marshmallows dipped into milk chocolate.
Alright, so
This.
Yes, yeah. The marshmallow and the orange.
So we will buy them.
And this is dark chocolate shards with mint.
That's marshmallow.
Yeah, the marshmallow is lovely.
Marshmallow. Yeah. Very good.
And this one?
This one is mint.
Mint, yeah. We're keeping this one for last because it's like the strongest
It's like
flavor.
a cotton fry.
Yeah. You can find honeycomb clusters in this package. And the marshmallow ones in this one. Yeah. And the first one they try orange and mint, they come in this package too.
How much the one like?
It's $6.25. The package, yeah.
Per pack.
Yeah, but they're all homemade.
These are all.
All homemade.
And we have our assortment boxes of truffles that you've tried. The dark chocolate vanilla ganache and the milk chocolate in this box. 10 and 20 truffles. And the box also has the hazelnut pudding truffle, the coconut pudding, and salted caramel truffle inside the box.
Oh.
So it's like an assortment box.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah.
Do you have in Dublin this brand of chocolates?
Where?
Dublin.
Yeah.
I have.
It's in some of the bigger shops. I can ask the lady, she knows which one exactly. You want to know which one exactly shops?
Yeah, because
Give me
we
a
are
second.
from Dublin.
Dublin, yeah. Give me a second.
Okay, thank you.